This is the Museum of London Docklands and it's random lift tour time. Now to the first set of 2 lifts. The first set of 2 lifts go up to the 3rd floor, which is the start of the museum. One of them was out of service, but I managed to get a ride, but it was very busy. Here's the lifts. One of them is not working. These are some old generics, modernised but generic. Should come down. It's coming down. It's on 2. Here it is.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Going down. Doors closing. Going down. Basement floor. Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Lift controls.
Going up. Floor 3.
Here you go.
Doors opening. Going down.
And now to the Oppo A1 platform lifts. These were both working today, so I thought to ride both and have some fun riding these platform lifts. Here is a set of 2 platform lifts, which are both Oppos. Now it's the first Oppo. Let's go down to 2. This is the one that wasn't. This one wasn't been working for years. So this next one, we're just going to ride the other one up and then the other one down. This platform lift actually sounds like it's going. Okay, now to the next platform lift. This one sounds a lot smoother. And now for a random moment on this lift tour. Random moment in the pub. Now to the next Oppo platform lifts. These are both not in use, so all I did was just keep pressing the button. More Oppos, but they're not in use. Ugh. And now for another random moment on this lift tour. Please stay at home and quarantine. Now to a swing door lift, which was staff only, but has been modernised with shitty DMG. I don't know why though. Why would you modernise a nice swing door lift with this shit? DMG. Ugh. This lift is absolute shit. Look at this lift here. Swing door lift, but what a total load of crap. DMG. Who the hell would modernise a swing door lift with absolute shit buttons? Sorry. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.